Good morning, children. A new day, a new start. So, welcome to your social science session, and today we are going to begin with our chapter number 3, that is rotation and revolution. What we are going to start? Rotation and revolution. Sun के अराउंड अर्थ कैसे रोटेट होता है, कैसे रिवॉल्व होता है. So what is revolution, what is rotation, what is axis, we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, so shall we begin? Okay, so children, today we are going to study how the planets revolve around the sun, what is rotation and what is revolution, what is an axis, how days and nights are formed. So in the center of the solar system we have the sun. So this is the sun, the candle is the sun, and all the other, these 8 are the planets which revolve around the sun. Now sun क्या करता है? Sun सारे planets को light देता है. The sun is the source of heat and light in the solar system. So these are the 8 planets which revolve around the sun. They also rotate on their own axis. So now I will tell you what is an axis, how does earth has days and nights, and how does this all happen. So children, today we are going to study about the planet earth, how does night and day happens on earth, and how does earth rotate. So children, earth rotate in fixed axis. तो earth एक fixed axis पे rotate करता है. What is an axis, children? An axis is the imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth. अगर हम earth को cut करेंगे तो this line that passes to the center. Okay, ये line earth के center पे से पास होती है. This is our mother planet earth. And this line that passes through the center of the earth is known as the axis. Axis has 2 points. Axis के 2 points होते हैं. You can see this is the north pole that is in the up direction, and this is the south pole that is in the downwards direction. So this is the north pole and this is the south pole. और जो earth होता है, earth का axis is slightly tilted, ऐसे टेढ़ा होता है अर्थ का एक्सिस. सो दिस इज द नॉर्थ पोल एंड दिस इज द साउथ पोल, एंड अर्थ रोटेट्स लाइक दिस. In this way the earth rotates. Now we will study how days and nights happen on earth. So children, this is the sun, this is our earth, and I have made our home over here. You can see the white spot and the home on this. So when we live on earth, this is our home and this is the sun that gives the light and heat to the entire solar system. Now as we move along this earth, it rotates on its axis. मैम ने आपको बताया axis was an imaginary line that was passing through the center of the earth. So earth इसी के बेसिस पे, इसी लाइन से रोटेट करता है अपने एक्सिस पे, like this. Okay, so when the earth rotates like this and the earth rotates, earth अपनी जगह पर घूमता है. So when the earth spins on its own axis, जब वो अपनी ही जगह पर ऐसे घूमता है, that is known as rotation. What is this called? This is called rotation. The spinning of the earth on its own axis. Now, children, you will think, ma'am, this is the rotation. And now this part is getting the sunlight. So here must be day. But what about moon? Moon कहाँ होता है? So children, the part facing towards the sun. जो part sun को face कर रहा है, यहाँ पर क्या होगा? That will be daytime. Here what will be there? It will be the daytime. And the other part of the earth, this part, ये वाले part में जहाँ पर sun की कोई light नहीं है, what will be there? It will be night time. So here will be dark and here will be light. सो व्हेन आवर होम, जब हमारा होम सन देखता है तो अदर पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ में क्या होती है, नाइट. एंड व्हेन इट रोटेट्स ऑन इट्स एक्सिस, इट रोटेट्स इन इट्स प्लेस, ये एंड आवर होम, दिस इज आवर होम, दिस गोज ऑन द बैक साइड. सो हियर वी हैव नाइट. और नाइट में क्या आ जाता है, मून. नाइट में क्या आ जाता है, मून. So here when it is the sunlight, we have day, and when we don't have the sunlight, that is on the other part, we have moonlight. Now we all know moon की अपनी light तो होती ही नहीं है. So how does moon shine in the sky? Children, moon is like here. Now the sun gives the light to moon. Moon does not has lights of its own. We know moon के पास अपनी light नहीं होती है, and moon takes the light from the sun. So moon is here, earth is here, and our home is on dark side. So we are having night. On the other part we have night. This part has day. So the sun gives the moon its light, and that light is given back to the अर्थ. और वो लाइट मून किसको दे देता है, वो लाइट अर्थ को दे देता है. ओके, सो द पार्ट दैट इज फेसिंग टूवर्ड्स द सन हैज डे, एंड द अदर पार्ट विच इज अवे फ्रॉम द सन हैज night. You can see, children, the sun gives so much heat and light that the earth has day on the side facing towards the sun, and it has night on the other side. So this is why days and nights happen. And now sun has a fixed place in solar system, and the moonlight, it takes the light from the sun. यहाँ से ये light pass होती है, and that light is given back to the earth in the form of moonlight, because we have studied moon does not has lights of its own. So children, this is how days and nights are formed. The part facing towards the sun will always, this is our home, the part facing towards the sun will always have day, and when the earth rotates, जब earth अपनी ही जगह पर घूमती है, so when our home come on the other side away from the sun, we will have night, and this part of the earth will have day. Okay, so this is rotation. Rotation of earth. When earth rotates, means the earth spins on its own place, it is known as rotation. Okay children, and rotation of the earth causes day and night. तो अर्थ का रोटेशन क्या कॉज करता है, इट कॉजेज डे एंड नाइट. नाउ चिल्ड्रेन, टुडे व्हाट वी स्टडीड व्हाट इज एन एक्सिस. एन एक्सिस इज एन इमेजिनरी लाइन. इमेजिनरी मीन्स हम सिर्फ ऐसा सोचते हैं, ऐसी लाइन है विच पासिस थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, सो एक्सिस हैज 2 points, द नॉर्थ एंड द साउथ. ऑल्सो द एक्सिस इज टिल्टेड. हमारा अर्थ ऐसे टेढ़ा घूमता है. ओके, सो इट इज लिटिल स्लाइटली टिल्टेड. ओके, सो इट रोटेट्स in a tilted way. Tilted means it is slightly bent on one side. So it is tilted, and we have a axis like this. Okay, so children, how days and nights are caused? Yes, very good. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. The part facing towards the sun will have day, and the other part away from the sun will have night. Okay, so in this way we studied what is rotation and how days and nights are caused. So children, like I showed you, the earth spins on its own axis, that is known as rotation. The imaginary line passing through the center is known as the axis, and earth rotates on its own place, which causes day on the side facing towards the sun and night on the side away from the sun. Okay children, so this is how days and nights are caused on earth. And also children, because our earth is little tilted, it is slightly tilted, means bent on one side. So because of its bent on one side, there are 6 months of days on the North Pole as well as 6 months of nights in the South Pole. जब ये अर्थ रोटेट करता है सन के अराउंड, बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स टिल्टनेस, बिकॉज ये टिल्टेड है, बिकॉज ये बेंट है वन साइड पे, therefore the parts of the North Pole have days for 6 months and South Pole also 6 months of nights on them because of the tilted axis of the earth. Based on what we have studied right now, you have to do some homework. So on page number 34 of your discovering book, you have to write the time of sunrise as well as the time of sunset. आपके एरिया में किस टाइम पे सन राइज होता है, मीन्स कब मॉर्निंग में सन आता है और कभी इवनिंग में सन जाता है. So children, that we saw that sun does not move from its place. sun अपनी प्लेस से मूव नहीं होता है, रोटेट क्या होता है, अर्थ. And this is the reason we see the sunrise as well as the sunset. Okay? So sun मूव नहीं करता है, अर्थ रोटेट होती है, अर्थ अपनी प्लेस पे घूमती है, and this is the reason we see sunrise. Okay? Now children, on page number 36, you have to fill these blanks and you have to fill them. All the dash rotate on their axis. So what all rotate on their axis? All the planets. And dash is a dash line passing through the dash of a planet. So अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा, अर्थ के सेंटर में से क्या पास हो रहा था, yes, axis. So an axis is an dash line. It is an imaginary line. ये सिर्फ हम imagine करते हैं. Passing through the center of the planet. All the planets are also known to dash around the sun. सारे planets sun के around क्या करते हैं, revolve. Sun is however in a dash position in the dash system. But sun का जो position होता है, you saw I burnt a candle, तो candle का position क्या था, fixed. Okay? in the dash system. और sun कौन से system में होता है, solar system. Very good. Now in question number 2, you have to make the sun, you have to guess sun कौन सी प्लेस पे होगा, यहाँ पर होगा या यहाँ पर होगा, and same way you have to do here, sun यहाँ पर होगा या फिर यहाँ पर होगा. Now in picture number 4, you will color the part that has night. तो आपको night वाले part को color करना है black. अब यहाँ sun है तो we know here day must be there. Now on the other part, that is this part must have night. Same way you have to do in this, children. You can also do one more experiment. Like I burnt a candle, you can keep a torch and you can have a ball in your hand, and you can see the part of the ball facing towards the torch will have light on it, which is the day, and the part which has the dark on its part will be having night. So in this way you have to explain the experiment to your parents. Okay? I hope you understood how days and nights are caused. So children, we shall continue with revolution in our next session. This homework you have to complete by yourself. This is all for today, children. We shall meet in the next class. Till then, bye-bye. Have a good day and take good care of yourselves.